and welcome to WPLMS tutorials. In this tutorial we're going to learn about the WPLMS unit timings add-on. So the WPLMS unit timings add-on is really a plug and play add-on. You just have to install the plugin, and once you've installed and activated the plugin, it will start recording the time spent by the users in your courses. And it comes with two widgets. First is the instructor widget, wherein you can select a course and it will show the course statistics, the percentage of time spent by the students in a particular course on what all units, and the total time which has been spent on the course. And it also comes with the graph which shows the percentage. You can also select a student from the course and see the time breakup. So here you can see on the student side, you can also set the student's data, which is the time spent by the student in various courses, and it shows the breakup. So when the user is pursuing the courses, it is taking a note of the time which is spent by the users in various units. So this time recording happens in the background and is unnoticeable to the students. So here you can see we spent 15 seconds on the unit mpg dash, and it shows the amount of time that we have spent on this unit. For the instructors, they can also see how much time a student has spent in the managed courses. In the statistics section, you will also see that there is a time spent, so you can get the student name and time spent for all the students, generate the report, and here you can see that this user spent how much time in this course. So that's it from WPLMS tutorials. Thanks for watching.